Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to use Gemini to summarize long documents. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini app or go to the Gemini website and sign in to your Google account. Over here, tap the plus or attach button to upload your document. After that, select the document you want to summarize. Then wait for the document to finish uploading. Over here, type a prompt like summarize this document or give me a short summary of this document. After that, tap the send button. Then Gemini will analyze the document and generate a summary. If you want a different type of summary, type another prompt. For example, ask for a one-paragraph summary, key points, or a section-by-section summary. After that, review the generated summary and ask follow-up questions if you need more details. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.